everyone. Today we are going to learn about binomial expressions. Okay, first of all I'll teach you binomial expressions. After that I'll teach you trinomial expressions, those kind of things. If you have any doubts you can ask me, right? Okay, now we are going to start binomial expressions. Binomial expressions. Before this one we need to learn one basic thing, that is if we are multiplying same symbols, right, that is equals plus. If you are multiplying different symbols, that is equals minus, right? You need to remember this one. This is very important thing. You need to remember this one, and after that I'll teach you another one. If there are two numbers with same symbols, that means it's like I'll show you some examples. 2a plus 2a and plus 5a. We can do is what we can do is here plus plus, no, both the symbols are same, then we can add the numbers and put the same symbol. Here plus 2 and 5 is 7 and put a, 7a, right? If it is like minus 2a and minus 5a, if there are two numbers with same symbols, we need to add the numbers and put the same symbol. Here same symbols, then minus 7a. Okay, another one, if there are numbers with different symbols, now we know how to do these same symbols, right? I am going to do different symbols. If there are two numbers with different symbols, here plus 2a minus 5a, right? Here different symbols, no, right? We need to find the difference. That means we need to find the difference means we need to find the subtract the smallest number from the largest number, then only we can find the difference between those two numbers, right? Here 5 minus 2, that is equals 3a, and what is the symbol of the 5? That is minus, because here this is the largest number, that's why we need to put the largest numbers symbol, right? Then next one I'll explain you another example for this one, right? Then minus 2a and plus 5a, right? Now here also symbols are different, we need to find the difference, that is 3a, right? And here what is the symbol? Minus, because the largest number symbol is minus. Here what is the symbol? Plus, because largest number symbol is plus, right? Remember this one, right? These things are very important, right? After that I'll teach you now x plus, I'll explain you some examples. Okay, example 1. Example 1, x plus 4 into x plus 5. If you don't know the basic, or if you don't know the other things, then you can ask me, right? You can comment in the comment section, right? If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, right? Now here how to do this one, it's a simple thing. We need to multiply this, then only we can remove the brackets, right? These are called binomial expressions because here there are two terms. Now here this is one and this is another one, right? Therefore we are calling it binomial expression. Binomial means two terms, right? Then here, then 4 need to multiply by x and 4 need to multiply by 5. First of all we need to just think x need to multiply by x and plus 5, full thing, no, right? Therefore I am going to write this x, right, and full thing x plus 5, right, and put this plus 4 and write this full thing, because here 4 need to multiply by x and 4 need to multiply by plus 5, right? Then here put a bracket and put this x plus 5. Then after that we can do is, here we need to, now we can multiply easily. Here x into x and x into 5, 4 into x and 4 into 5. X into x is equals x squared, plus into plus is plus, x into 5 is 5x, and plus into plus is plus, 4 into x is 4x, right? Then plus into plus is plus, 4 into 5 is 20. Now there's no number, there are x squared numbers, only this one, right? Is there any x squared numbers without this? No, right? Therefore we are going to write this x squared number here, right? And x numbers are there, right? Two x numbers are there. Here this is 5x and this is 4x, right? Both the symbols are same. Then what we can do is we need to add the numbers, then put the same symbol, 9x and plus 20. This is the answer for the first example, right? I'll teach you another example with different symbols, right? Then you can understand better. Okay, now we are going to do example 2. right, with different symbols. Here x, we can write x minus 4 and x plus 5 anyway, right. Now only the symbols are different, right. We need to multiply the same way, right. Here x into x and x into 5 and 4 into x and 4 into 5. Here x need to multiply by x plus 5, no. Here x need to multiply by x and plus 5, right. Therefore put that bracket x plus 5, right. And minus 4 need to multiply by x plus 5, right. Now we need to multiply this by here this one, x into x and x into 5, 4 into x and 4 into 5. X into x is equal to x squared, plus into plus is plus, x into 5 is 5x, minus into plus is minus. If there is a normal number, that means what is the symbol? That is plus, right. Minus into plus is minus and 4 into x is 4x. Then minus into plus is minus, 4 into 5 is 20. Now the symbols are different, little bit different. Here x squared number is only this one, then we can put this x squared number, right. Then after that, here look at this, 5x is there and 4x is there, but the thing is symbols are different. Then we need to find the difference between those two numbers, plus 5 and minus 4, no, then we need to find the difference. Then 5 minus 4 is equals 1x, right. We can just put x or 1x, right. Then what is the symbol? Here plus is the symbol because largest number symbol is plus. Then minus 20. This is the second example, right. If the symbols are same thing, right, we need to do the same thing, right. I will do another example 3, right. I am going to do another example, right. Look at the board. Example 3, 5c plus 3d 2c minus d, right. This is the example 3, right. Now here we need to multiply the same thing, right. Same way only we need to do this, right. Here 5c need to multiply by 2c and minus d, right. I am going to write 5c and write this full bracket, 2c minus d, right, and write this plus 3d, 2c minus d. Now we need to multiply this 5 into 2c, 5c into 2c and 5c into d and 3d into 2c, 3d into d, right. Now here 5c into 2c, 5 into 2, first of all we need to multiply the numbers, then after that we need to multiply the letters. 5 into 2 is 10 and c into c is c squared, right. Plus into minus, 5c into d is equals, we can write 5cd. Here we can write dc or cd, but the thing is we need to write in alphabetical order, right. Then only it's easy for you to understand, right. Here plus into plus, 3d into 2c, 3 into 2 is 6, dc, we can write dc, but I am going to write cd because then it's easy for us to simplify, right. Plus into minus, 3d into d, 3, this is d, no, then we can put 3 and d into d is d squared. This is the way how to expand binomial expressions, right. This is the last thing. Then here c squared numbers, no any other c squared numbers, then we can put this c squared number 10c squared, and here minus cd, and here also 6cd, right, minus 5cd here plus 6cd. Then we can find the difference between those two numbers. Then what is the largest number? 6. Then 1cd but plus, right, and put this minus 3d squared. I think everyone can understand this one. Okay, if you need any explanation from any chapters, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, then we'll meet on the next video, part 2 video from this binomial expressions. Then we'll meet on the next video.